Hi everyone, welcome to Link Idea. I am Anmol Thakur. Today we will discuss about the most important topic between India and Pakistan, and you will get shocked to know that these two countries who have the enmity between them since 1947 to till 2023, they have a most successful water treaty in the world, and that is between India and Pakistan mediated by World Bank. So when this treaty came in 1960 till 1960 to 2023, there is no problem, but now Pakistan has objected a lot of and created a lot of problems for us. That is the reason first time in the history India has issued 90 days notice to Pakistan on the Indus water treaty. If they will not rectify the treaty, then what will happen? We will discuss about this, and with that there is a word called happiness. If you subscribe and like this video, I'll get so happy for that. So guys, welcome to Link Idea. Here you can be able to see the india.com news, and all over the news platform they are following this news that India has went for a issuing a notice to Pakistan for the material breach. And why this notice has been issued, you will get to know in this map that through the Himalaya, lot of rivers are coming. One side China try to have benefit from it, and the another side Pakistan is there, and both of these countries always having a problem with India because they want greater share of everything from India. So here the Himalaya is there, and from Himalaya you can be able to see the five rivers are coming down to Pakistan. And these five rivers are first Indus, second Jhelum, third Chenab, fourth Ravi, and fifth Sutlej. If you are preparing for any examination, these rivers are really important to understand the Himalaya system and the river system. So listen carefully. Here you can be able to see these five rivers, and these five rivers equally divided between India and Pakistan in 1960 by World Bank, because World Bank has been called at that time to mediate the role, and this has been finalized in 9 years since 1952 to 1960, sorry. It came with the mediation role by the World Bank, and they have finalized that some rivers will go to the India and some rivers will go to the Pakistan, that is western side, and eastern side river will stay with India. But right now Pakistan has objected a problem, and they have created problem 216 itself. In this world map you can be able to see the India is situated in the world map very beautifully, but there is one country Pakistan which is divided by India in 1947, and after 1947 I don't know what happened to them. They have always problem, and they are always trying to create problem for India through its way of terrorism, through stopping the India development project and all the means at the UN and every places. So you know Pakistan by this name, and right now they are stopping two dam project which is India constructing on the eastern side. That is first known as the Kisan Ganga project, and second is Rotal Dam project. So just think for a moment, if these two dam can be able to constructed, the India and Pakistan will too have a benefit, much more benefit from that. But before that I need you to understand that when India has issued a Pakistan for a notice for the 90 days after the treaty of 1962, and why after 62 years India has issued the notice, that is the reason because when India went for the construction of dam, Pakistan said, no, Baba, you cannot construct the dam over there because that water is coming to Pakistan. But just think for a moment, if in your territory the water is originated and that is going directly to the other countries, then does you not think that water should be utilized in the right manner? And if you can be able to utilize the water in right manner, then what will happen? India can stop the flood in Pakistan even, because as we all know, since 2 years Pakistan has a problem of flood, and because of that their people are suffering a lot in their area. They cannot get for the agriculture land properly because water is filled over there, because Pakistan needs the greater share of water, that is 70% of the Indus water system. And that is the reason India came with the Article 12 of Clause 3 of IWT, that is known as Indus Water Treaty article. And through this article India can be able to change the what the agreement has been made before in 1960, because in this article it has been clearly written over the time period India and Pakistan can be able to go for a different treaty so that it suits for the both of the countries at the time of 1960 itself. That is the reason India has called for the 90 days notice. And if Pakistan is not going to obey the law right now, then after 90 days we can be able to construct our two dams over there. And why Pakistan is creating the problem, that we have to understand. As we all know that Indus river water system is originated from Himalaya, so it is a pure water form, and in the future water is the reason that World War III can occur, as it is said by the Vladimir Putin and even all over the world leaders. And water scarcity is proven all over the world. Even India is suffering from that. And just for a moment think, if India can be able to utilize this water in the right manner, then we can be able to benefit our states in the truly that will be beneficial for us. And that is the reason India has made enormous efforts that India and Pakistan should have the mutual agreement on that. But when since 2017 to 2022, as you can be able to see here, Pakistan has not get agreed to our terms. And this starts in 2016 when India sent the notice to Pakistan that we are going to construct dam on the eastern sector, that is one known as Kishan Ganga and second is Rotal Dam project. So for this project, when India went on, the Pakistan said, no Baba, I will not let you construct the dam because I want the greater share of water use, as I told you. So at that time, Pakistan said, I need a natural person to mediate between us that should come from World Bank. And that is the reason World Bank appointed a natural person. But when that natural person also came, Pakistan said, we are not agreed for the talk. That is the reason World Bank has said, now no more we are going to mediate the role between India and Pakistan for the Indus Water Treaty. Now they can be able to resolve this issue through arbitration court or by themselves. So that is the reason from 2017 to 2022, India has argued, and right now on 25th January of 2023, India went for issuing a notice to Pakistan that understood it right manner, otherwise we will do what we have to do. So from this, you can be able to understand the nonsense creativity of Pakistan, which they have been applying since 1947. And from 1947 to till now, they are having all the issues so that they can be able to come up and stop India development projects. Just for a moment, you have to think that if Pakistan will stop this nonsense, then what are the benefits that India and Pakistan can have? Here, India having the two states, Haryana and Punjab, which they are fighting for themselves for a water for the agriculture purposes. And if this water in this water system can be able to divert it, at least 50% of the water diverted into this area, then Haryana, Punjab and Rajasthan will benefit immensely from it for their agriculture land and that for the drinking water purposes. And we can be able to even stop floods in Pakistan. So Pakistan has to understood this. So I want you to write a comment so that everybody can be able to understood what is in your mind as an Indian, as on if you are belong to the other countries also. So here in the Indus Water Treaty 1960, when that is came, the three rivers which given to India, that is Sutlej, Bias and Ravi. Bias is already in Indian side. So these two rivers given to India, and the three rivers which is given to Pakistan, Indus, Jhelum and Chenab. So this is the 70% of the Indus river system water. So Pakistan, what they have done, as I told you, 2016 went for the technical hold by having the 70% of the water use also. So that is the reason Modi government has came with the resolution that obey the law, otherwise you will get punished or we will construct our dam. So guys, what do you think about this video? Type in the comment box, and if you like it, continue watching it, share it and subscribe the channel so I can be really able to get happiness, and next time I'll come with the more better videos. So guys, this is the end of the video. Thank you for watching.